I grew up in foster care. I moved through 3 different foster homes on my path to resilience. So to me, resiliency is just about finding the strength to keep going, regardless of the challenge. I'm grateful for the love that I've got to share and experience across all 3 of my families, but it didn't come without question, uncertainties. So after high school, I found my path within my religion. I knew education was the way out, so I took what little money I had in my pocket and I set out for school. Although I struggled mentally, I questioned everything. I found resiliency in my faith. With that, I navigated college, and that's when a tech career, Veeam, found me. 5 years later, I'm proud to say that I found my work again. Recently winning Veeam All-Star for the 2nd time. I started the race 10 meters behind, and I still found a way to win. That, to me, is resilience and Black excellence.